Tending a garden connects us to nature, but it also gives us a responsibility to use water wisely. Water is precious, and gardens are part of agriculture, the world's biggest freshwater user. During dry spells, our local water supplies are under pressure. Every gardener can help by making sure not a drop is wasted. This isn't a burden, it's an opportunity to be smarter and more efficient. Enter the smart irrigation system technology that gives plants exactly what they need, when they need it. No more overwatering or underwatering, just healthy, resilient plants. Imagine a garden that waters itself with perfect timing, using sensors to listen to the soil. Unlike simple timers, smart systems respond to real conditions, adapting day by day. The result? Stronger plants, less stress, and more time for you to enjoy your garden. You'll save hours usually spent dragging hoses, and you'll have peace of mind, even when you're away. A smart irrigation system is a small investment that pays off in time, money, and satisfaction. It's a modern, sustainable way to care for your garden. By blending technology with tradition, we can create beautiful, productive spaces that respect our planet. Every drop truly counts. With a smart system, you become a responsible gardener, one who nurtures both plants and the environment. The future of gardening is here, and it starts with how we use water. Let's make every drop matter. Building a smart watering system is easier than you think. Just assemble a few key parts. Start with soil moisture sensors, the spies that report how thirsty your plants are. Next, the microcontroller, your system's brain, processes sensor data and decides when to water. A relay module acts as a safe switch, letting the microcontroller control a water pump or valve. The delivery system, drip lines or soaker hoses, brings water right to the roots, minimizing waste. Drip irrigation is efficient, delivering water slowly and directly where it's needed. Finally, a dashboard, web or mobile app, lets you monitor everything at a glance. With these components, you have a responsive, efficient system. Each part plays a vital role, working together for smarter watering. The result? Healthier plants, less water waste, and more control for you. It's a recipe for a thriving, sustainable garden. Smart irrigation isn't complicated. It's just smart. Let's see how to choose the right sensors. Not all soil sensors are equal. Choose wisely for long-term success. Resistive sensors are cheap but corrode quickly, leading to unreliable readings. Capacitive sensors, though pricier, are coded for durability and give stable, accurate data. Place sensors at root level, about 4 to 6 inches deep, midway between the stem and canopy edge. This is where roots absorb water most actively. Avoid placing sensors too close to stems or pot edges for accurate readings. In larger beds, use multiple sensors in different spots, sunny and shady, to get a complete picture. Program your system to water based on the driest sensor or an average. This approach ensures efficient, targeted watering. The right sensor placement means healthier plants and less wasted water. Smart placement is as important as smart technology. Assembling your system is a rewarding project. Insert capacitive sensors at root level and run wires to a sheltered, waterproof box for your electronics. Connect sensors to the microcontroller's analog inputs and the relay module to a digital output. Wire your pump or valve to the relay, keeping circuits separate for safety. Set up your water delivery. Connect a solenoid valve to your tap or a pump to a water butt, then run drip lines to each plant. Power the microcontroller with a USB charger. Use a separate supply for the pump or valve. Double-check all wiring for safety and reliability. Once connected, power up the system. The hardware is ready. Now upload your code. With everything in place, your smart garden is set to come alive. Let's see how the microcontroller brings it all together. The microcontroller is your garden's tireless caretaker. It reads soil moisture data, compares it to your set thresholds, and decides when to water. If the soil is too dry, it signals the relay to turn on the pump or valve. Water flows through the drip lines, reaching the roots directly. The system waters for a set time or until the soil reaches the desired moisture. This closed-loop process prevents overwatering and saves water. The microcontroller checks, waters, and stops. No human intervention needed. You can adjust how often it checks and how long it waters. The result, precise, efficient irrigation tailored to your plant's needs. It's simple logic, but the impact is profound. Your plants get exactly what they need, when they need it. That's the magic of automation. Next, let's calibrate your sensors for accuracy. Calibration makes your sensor readings meaningful for your garden. Start by recording the sensor's dry value in open air, then its wet value submerged in water. These 2 points let you map sensor output to a percentage scale. Now set watering thresholds based on your plant's needs. Drought-tolerant plants might need watering at 30% moisture. Thirsty crops like tomatoes may need 50% or more. Set a wet threshold, around 75–80%, to stop watering before soil gets waterlogged. Adjust these values as you observe your plants over time. Calibration ensures your system waters only when needed. The right thresholds mean healthier plants and no wasted water. Experiment and fine-tune for best results. With calibration done, your system is truly smart. Now, let's explore advanced features. Make your garden even smarter. Once you've mastered the basics, upgrade your system with advanced features. Integrate real-time weather data. If rain is forecast, your system can skip watering, saving even more water. For larger gardens, set up multiple zones with separate sensors and valves for different plant needs. A dashboard app lets you monitor moisture levels, view trends, and manually override watering from anywhere. Platforms like Blink or Home Assistant make this easy and visual. For off-grid setups, add a solar panel and battery to power your system sustainably. This creates a self-sufficient, eco-friendly irrigation solution. Technology and nature working together, your garden upgraded. Advanced features mean more control, more savings, and a greener footprint. Smart irrigation adapts to your life and your plants. Let's see the real-world impact. Smart irrigation isn't just theory, it delivers real savings. Studies show automated sensor-based systems can cut outdoor water use by up to 50%. Drip irrigation alone is up to 90% efficient, far better than sprinklers. Combining drip delivery with smart sensors nearly eliminates waste. Gardeners report dramatic drops in water bills and healthier plants. The system adapts, watering less after rain, more during heat waves. No more wasteful fixed schedules. The evidence is clear. Smart systems save water, money, and the environment. It's a practical, proven step for every gardener. Responsible gardening starts with smart watering. Let's wrap up with troubleshooting and final thoughts. Even smart systems need occasional care. If something stops working, check for dirt on sensors or clogged drip emitters. Clean them gently. Inspect wiring for loose or corroded connections, especially outdoors. Keep electronics in a waterproof box and use a multimeter to check power flow. Include a manual override, physical or digital, for easy testing or extra watering. Always prioritize safety, use proper power supplies, and insulate high-voltage parts. The effort pays off with a healthier, more resilient garden. You'll use less water, save money, and have more time to enjoy your plants. Start small, maybe with a few pots, and expand as you gain confidence. Building a smart irrigation system is rewarding and connects you to your garden in new ways. Every drop you save makes a difference. Embrace technology, nurture your plants, and garden smarter. The future of sustainable gardening is in your hands.